shipping if prescribed, a 100% online process, and trusted generic alternatives to the biggest brands at 90% off. That's right, get generic for Viagra, the same active ingredient as brand name Viagra, but 90% cheaper. It's the same medication you get from your doctor, but with zero copay, no expensive appointments, and no awkward face-to-face conversations. Results are guaranteed or your money back. To start your free online visit, you need to go to this exclusive address, forhims.com/joy. That's forhims.com/joy for your free online visit. forhims.com/joy.
You wash your hands, you brush your teeth, but what about the nose? How do you clean your nose? With Novato. Novato uses powered suction to pull saline in one nostril, around the back of the nose, and out the other nostril, flushing out allergens, mucus, and germs. And it's why cleaning your nose, the body's air filter, is the next evolution in daily personal hygiene. People try Novato for lots of reasons. Sinusitis, colds, allergies, snoring, things that make it hard to breathe through your nose. But over time, they find that cleaning their nose makes them feel better, a lot better. Over 3 million Novato users have written more than 100,000 reviews, averaging 4.7 stars, saying that's
malfeasance. For a long time now, I'm looking on my wall right here. Those 5, gosh, no, 5, 6 years ago, who the hell knows? I forget how long ago I lived out there. You know, I did this line of work. That's why it worries me so much. You have a massive amount of power with that federal badge, commission, what it's done. Abuse it. Cause real problems for the constitutional republic. We're there. Big piece in the intersection, the most explosive of pieces I've read in a long time. Open, blatant government spying on American citizens, coordinating with the private sector to squelch free speech. And they did it on their government email. They said how obviously where they did it. Again, top of the hour. Using the internet without ExpressVPN, folks, like having a first aid kit but not keeping it stocked up. Well, most of the time, you may be okay, but what if you suddenly get a horrible accident? There's nothing in your first aid kit to help you stop the bleeding. Let me know. Every time you connect to an unencrypted network, hotels, airports, any hacker on the same network can gain access to your personal data, passwords, financial details, etc. And your data, hackers can make up to $1,000 per person. So personal info. ExpressVPN creates a secure encrypted tunnel between your device and the internet, so hackers can't steal your stuff. They take a hacker with a supercomputer over 1 billion years to get past ExpressVPN encryption. It's easy to use. Just fire up the app with one button to get protected. Works on all devices, phones, laptops, tablets, and more, so you can stay secure on the go. Secure your online data today by visiting expressvpn.com/dan. That's ExpressVPN, EXPRESS. ExpressVPN.com/Dan, and you can get an extra 3 months free. ExpressVPN.com.
Dan Bongino. You're listening to the Dan Bongino Show on the Bay Area on your radio and smart speaker at 560 KSFO.
So not only the volume of fears, the FBI now, we know, definitely interfered, and they have contributed to the stealing of the 2020 election by the Biden.
the world that you have control over. Plus inflation, higher taxes, just a lot to think about. Not easy, and a magic wand won't keep your retirement secure. At Frontage and Associates, don't invest and forget powered by proxy. Our team conserves. Our specialty is simple, helping people develop a solid plan for retirement to help generate predictable income and take a lot of the worry away, which is nice. Check out a free consultation in person at one of our several Bay Area offices or a Zoom meeting, or simply over the phone. Visit don'tinvestandforget.com or call 888-PLAN-WISE. That's don'tinvestandforget.com or 888-PLAN-WISE.
You're like most Americans. You're pretty much in disbelief watching the world lose.
Well, as usual, Judy and I gave out bell peppers, nice hot corn and gravy. Cream corn, that's it. Armstrong and Getty were to give another grueling 4-hour workday. Open up your back, kids. Here's a ladle of hot cream corn. Armstrong&Getty.com. We have the hotness for you. Pick up some Armstrong and Getty swag. It's great Christmas. Yes, order today. Armstrong&Getty.com. See you tomorrow. God bless America. Armstrong and Getty. The word of a president matters. Are you sure of that? Well, don't interact over the pressure about that. It's out there. Oh, well, you're being a wise guy with your life. And when it's over, it is over. It is over. We just wanted to hear your. I said fine. Let me say one thing. Well, if I had a dime for every time somebody reported what you know what I'm saying? Armstrong and Getty. The Valley's Election Headquarters, 580 AM, 105.9 FM, KNJ Fresno, a Cumulus Media Station. Here's the latest from ABC News and Lionel Moyes.
National elections in Israel. Nearly two-thirds of the ballots showing that he and his political allies are poised to achieve a stable majority in the country's parliament, which has been mostly deadlocked for the last 3 years. The votes are still being counted Wednesday morning in Israel. The results not yet final. 6 days before the U.S. midterm elections, the latest Fox News power ranking optimism.
The latest Fox News power rankings indicate shifts largely in favor of Republicans. In the Senate, the toss-up races of Arizona, Pennsylvania, Georgia, and Nevada remain, but Florida's Senate seat went from lean to likely Republican, and Washington's Senate seat has moved from solid to likely Democrat. In the House, it's now down to 26 toss-up seats, as 7 seats move out of the toss-up category and toward Republicans, including North Carolina's 7th as well as Oregon's 5th. Another 5 seats moved from lean Democrat to toss-up, including California Congresswoman Katie Porter's seat, though 5 seats shifted in favor of Democrats.
Fox's Jessica Rosenthal, President Biden campaigned yesterday for Democrat candidates in Florida, warning if elected, Republicans will try and repeal some of the bills that he's signed into law.
Reckless and irresponsible will make inflation worse. So badly hurt working class and middle class Americans.
Republicans argue the Biden administration's spending is what's made inflation worse. For David Dupat, the man accused of the hammer attack on Paul Pelosi, he's been ordered held without bond. Fox News has learned Capitol Police has a live video feed from the security cameras at the Pelosi home, but officers weren't watching them closely Friday because Speaker Pelosi was in Washington at the time. The flashing police lights finally drew their attention to the feed. America is listening to Fox News.
Stay on top of the latest forecast with America's Weather Team in the palm of your hand.
Here's the latest from America's Weather Center.
It's Fox weather updates throughout your busy day, every day.
5 inches of rain by tomorrow.
Temperatures being 30 degrees above average.
With the power of over 100 meteorologists and the worldwide resources of Fox in your hands with the Fox Weather Podcast. Precise, personal, powerful. Subscribe and listen now at foxnewspodcast.com. Connect to Fox News Audio on the Fox News app. Listen to hear your favorite hosts like Brian Kilmeade, Jimmy Fallon, and Guy Benson standing up for what's right, live and via podcast. Just click listen and twice